they do, Glass Kills?
Hey, G, what up, man?
What they do, man?
Cut, AD. Cut,
Huh?
AD.
Oh, we cutting?
Cut.
Oh, hey, we just started.
AD, cut. Cut, AD.
Nobody know what the hell going on with you.
Well, it's an update, man.
What we doing? What we doing? Oh. You ain't got no stocks though.
What?
You got no more stocks? Factories for a dunk? What's up, man? Glass Kills, I see you ain't joking, boy. You ain't.
This thing in Evercoat high build polyester primer. Take any of that waviness back out of here. She looking thick, man. We're gonna block her down, primer one more time. It should be ready for the boot. Kind of like
Ooh, Glass Kills, man. Where you come at? You get this. Dunk. Right. It's nice.
That's the one that I was real good.
You can go either all the way to the good.
This one is
Nice. This is nice, man.
nice.
You got some gold on that.
This one right here with that rose gold.
You go silver or rose. You can go any color with that.
This one go better with chrome.
Yeah, with the chrome. Yeah, it looks silver. Yeah.
This has this side.
I'm gonna cut it out. I'm gonna cut it out. Oh, man. Hey man, y'all follow my dog, man. Motor Game. What's your IG and your YouTube, man?
DMG Network.
Did who?
DMG Network.
Man, I see that, man. Anything I need, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all holla at DMG Network, cause his network is through the roof.
Man, you know, you want to get your shit ready, man. Come to Glass Kills, man. Ain't that right? What you gotta say, Glass?
Got Gus in the building, got fucking AD in the building, you know.
We got Don't Motor Game in the building.
Yeah, Don't Motor Game in the building.
We got Kenny in the
Going
building.
over this fucking car, see what we gonna do with it.
Right here, AD. You know, a lot of people sitting that line.
Yeah, that bitch sharp,
That bitch
man.
sharp.
You mean
That's
that
a
line?
tape.
You mean that line be missing?
Yeah.
Nah, but
It be
this done
missing sometimes. It's not that sharp.
This done the right way. This ain't made out of Bondo. This we put the old seam sealer out of here and re-seam seal it.
Who
with the
said
right
they don't
stuff.
like to make the line? It's like Kenny that say they don't make the crack. Was it Kenny?
I don't know what he do.
I don't want. Don't let me lie to you.
These ain't made out of Bondo. These got cleaned out, re-seam sealed the right way. Try and keep them from cracking. Listen, 90% of the cars right there crack because of the music, man. There ain't nothing you can do about that. It's just, that's part of the nature. Try and do the best you can to stop that. Don't let these real expensive paint shops say they shit don't crack there, because I've seen a million of them crack right there.
Especially got that pressure back there. Don't do it, don't do it.
Oh, whenever you take them off.
Wasn't no through rust anywhere on this car. Wasn't like no through rust anywhere on this car. Not even like, we make sure we stripped around the convertible top back there on the top, because you know that's where they bubble in and nothing, all solid metal there. So that's it's hard to make sure when no rust sitting in here. About that far, all this up here, just to make sure, man, because you know,
Chris, what's it called? You're gonna have to powder coat your what's it called? Drop them off when Dave take them off. Drop them off all to the lady that did underneath their seat. Powder coat them satin black, like the same black. That's why your hood covers, your hood hinges. Into your face something. So yeah, try to drop them off like next week. Yeah, Dave here. Yeah. But yeah, I think try to drop them off tomorrow. Take the bitch red black, take it off.
Okay.
it won't take them that long to do. Let me make sure the hood
Line up
and everything, and then when we bust it back apart to start doing the jams, we can take them.
like Monday or
Next week sometime.
All right, yeah.
Because it shouldn't take them but like a day or two to powder coat.
Who shop you at?
You just go in black, right?
Say. Let me see my dog, man. Hey, Tate.
Yo.
Look at these guys. Yeah, we definitely outside. I need to come see you. Oh my God. All right, I'll call you back.
Take care of the hood. The charger I just did, that's what made it. You made stickers
Yo.
over it all.
Oh, that charger. That charger. The charger.
All right.
I'll make you
All right,
famous
so
today,
fuck- I
man.
don't want anything to do with it.
You sick, God? It's cold, bro. It's cold. It's cold. It's the hood niggas around here. See the wicks? Y'all see this type of people with wicks? Y'all stay away from these motherfuckers down here, right? They are not friendly. They are not friendly. Don't ask them for some change, no dollars, no nothing.
Because it's just.
You said we gotta go back. Tell me what happened. Puncher said, "Fucking fix
Hey,
all that shit."
That's gonna be a famous look on everything. You just gonna have to edit my face.
What you
like
said,
that.
bro? Hey man, we try to hear what's going on.
Got your car over at Toby's?
Nah,
Yeah,
my
the
dog, my other
customer
dog,
need to
my
know, man, that
72.
customer.
It's 72 hard.
That's
The
the one
fans.
that's sitting in the back with the baby blue that was on it?
Yeah,
subscribers.
Yeah,
Hard top?
yeah.
Fuck calling me.
That is a partial thing.
Dread mirror.
I hit up Easy.
It's all frame with the food.